Aloha everybody, welcome to Hawaii and all the little puppies. This is my pack for today. We decided to come to Hawaii Kai because I was scared to go to Diamond Head. Here's Paika. Paika's being good behavior. Everybody's being in a good behavior. They all went ballistic and went doo-doo, and I picked it all up, and so my job gets a little easier. There's Tonki. So we're at Hawaii Kai, so we're gonna wait till these guys out there clear out, and then we'll go in the big park. Say hi to Mama. Say hi to Mama. Hi, Mama. Oh, Papa, you can take this off. It doesn't even have batteries in it. Hey. There's Chemo. Hi, Chemo. You happy you're at your friends? Oh, Chemo. Oh, good boy, Chemo. There's Chemo. Dun, 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 with all his friends. There's Chips. Hey! There's Chips. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now let's see the behavior problems over here. What we got going on? So we got 3 dogs. Which 2 dogs is good playing, 3 dogs is a little bit more. And then when you got one chasing one dog. Hey, quiet. Come, Roxy. Aloha. Welcome to Roxy. Come here. Okay, I'll put you guys down, okay? So you guys can see me, or see the sky, or see the dogs. Just for a second. Okie dokie. There, sorry. Okay, I put the collar on Roxy, Zoe, and let's see if that helps the pack. See, Zoe's being good already. All you need is a collar. I tell you, no even batteries in them. Okay. Then we got Ula and Sunny. Ula and Sunny, my friends over here. Good morning. How's your foot? You never grow a new one.
That would help.
Yeah, that would help. Look at Auntie, guys. Right there, looking for the cats.
Oh, okay.
There's Hoppa. You guys are not going in there, no ways.
You have to let us come in.
I'm gonna wait till everybody clear out and then let them run, and then I don't like piss anybody off. Aloha, welcome to Hawaii. Huh? Yeah, I know, but still. It's all Hawaii Kai dogs, this.
Huh?
It's all Hawaii Kai dogs anyway.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Roxy. There's Chipsters. They're all waiting to leave, but we're waiting for it to clear up in here. You guys ready? You guys want to go outside and play? You guys want to go outside and play? Hey, aloha, welcome. Aloha, aloha. There's everybody. You guys want water? We're in the little park at Hawaii Kai. Just to make them, so I can pick up poop easier. It's so much easier. Because I lose them if I go in the big park. And all these dogs poop. The pack for today. Thank you, Auntie, for bringing us to the park. Oh, Kona. Look, Kona jump even though. Kona, what you doing? Hi, Kona. Kona boy. Kona boy. Kimo, 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 Kimo. Everybody loves the Paika, Paika. There's Roxy. See, Roxy's good, look. All you do is wear one big plastic collar, or just go buy one. I tell you, tuner flute, she's not gonna boss you guys around, because that can be real irritating, the barking. Hey, what's going on? Aloha. Welcome to Hawaii. Oh, Hoppa, look, Hoppa saw a cat. All the dogs are running. What's that, Hops? Chips, aren't you gonna go see what's that? Chipster is gonna drink some water. You guys don't want to see what's that? Charlie, what's that, Hoppa? Is that a kitty cat? Is that a kitty cat? Aloha, welcome. Welcome to Hawaii. Dog park etiquettes. This is how to run a pack at the dog park safely. I bring them in packs. If I come only with one, I feel naked. So I borrow somebody's dog. Well, how much we got here today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's not that much. Guys, you guys want to go in the big one? I'll wait till Tori leaves. Hey, welcome. Welcome to Aloha. Hey, what's going on there? Aloha, Big Cheese. 2016. Tonky! Tonky's a busybody. Tonky don't need a collar. Tonky's a good boy. Hello! Hello, aloha. So, here's a dog park in Hawaii Kai. People grumble that I bring dogs here, but you know what? It's funny. The clients are all from Hawaii Kai, so they shouldn't grumble. Hey, aloha! Welcome. I didn't see who that was, but welcome. Kai. Did I say your name right? Kai. Kai, you can see this. Where's Pika? I gotta go get me a doo-doo bag. I saw doo-doo. There's Pika in a row. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. See, he's a good boy here. Hi, Chemo. Chemo, you holding on the fort? Hey, aloha, welcome. Welcome. I'm funny. Oh, I turned it around. Now you guys can see what I look like. Yuck. Hey, guys. Okay, let's go get a dog bag. Aloha, welcome to Hawaii Dog Park. Etiquette. Well, they're being good right now, so nothing really. Oh. Okay, flying phones. It jumped out. Flying phones everywhere. Oh, there's new meat. Don't let them in here. Okay. Hey, what's going on there? Welcome to Hawaii. Aloha. Wait, let me zoom so you guys can see the dog. Okay, so I'll poop somewhere. See, this is hard. Doing film, observing dogs, maintaining their social pack. Sorry, picking up doo-doo. Woo! Aloha! Welcome to Hawaii. Woo! You guys be nice. There's Charlie. Charlie's still. Charlie, you getting the flies, Charlie? Charlie's all by himself over here getting the flies. Funny. You guys thirsty? Woo! Okay. Got rid of that. You guys thirsty? Nothing exciting. Which is good, actually. I'm gonna be honest. Roxy! Roxy likes the water! Oh, Roxy's hot. See, look, I just put the collar on Zoe. That's all I did. And you saw her behaviors as she was running around and bugging. It's like so easy. Why do you think I use it? Because I got plenty to train. And I'm not a dog trainer. I didn't go to school or anything. Study them. You guys gonna waste the water? Don't waste hot water in Hawaii. You guys want to go out in there in the big park? No ways. Not yet. You still got 2 hours here, so you guys can play in here. It's still big. Hey, aloha, welcome. Harmon. I need glasses really bad. Come on, Kimo. Hey, aloha, welcome. Welcome back. Welcome to Hawaii. Welcome on the replays. This is nice plays. Good play. There might be a little vocal. See, you can see on first hand how your dog is. Charlie, don't go in the middle of that. See, so they're all good. I have more dogs in here than they have outside. Woo! And that's Emmett's dogs. I mean, Tori's dogs. Emmett and Chewy barking. Lord have mercy. They're my clients too. Like, I watch them if Tori has to go to mainland with the kids. Because I love them, you know. The barking is an innate behavior, so. Wait, you guys want to see them? Because they're so pretty. Come on, Roxy. See, Roxy's halo is on straight. Look at that. Her blue halo. No even batteries inside, Zoe. Do not let the dog run you over. You gotta show him who's boss. So even if it means there's the barky dogs. You see them? Emmett and Chewy. Oh, you can't really see them good. There's Chewy. What kind of breeds are these Australian healers? Oh, you see, look at our ocean view. Hi, Tori! I'm trying to get your dogs. I'm trying to get your dogs on film. They're beautiful. No, that's okay. It's their innate behavior. They can't help it. Oh, look at that little one. Oh, that's your other little one. Okay, Kimo. Kimo. That's okay. I got them all in here. Hopefully no small dog comes in here and ruins my parade. Hopefully no small dog comes in here. Woo, guys! That's Auntie Tori. You guys want to spend a week with her? You guys all want to spend a week with her and have a party? Huh? She watches doggies too. Hey, Kimo. 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 See, everybody has bad habits. Hey, quiet. Quiet. See? All you gotta do is that. Oh, there's Zoe. I mean, not Zoe, but Roxy. Roxy? See? Quiet. Okay, it worked, I'm telling you. Roxy, good girl. Just one click of the button. Oh, look who's... Hi, Mama. Hi, Daddy. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Chipster's a good boy. Chipster's a good... Say hi to Mama. Say hi to Danae. Hi, Danae. Look at the slobber on his head. Chipsters, chipsters. Oh, and there's, hi, sweetheart. And there's Bailey. Say hi, Mom and Dad. In the Philippines, they're coming home soon. Bailey's doing wonderful. Bailey has gooey eyes. I noticed that from the first day. So when you guys come home, vet tech looked at Bailey and said, you need to take him to the vet because it's changing color. So when it's starting to get green, that means infection. So, hi guys! Emmett and Chewy, Emmett and Chewy. There's Tonky, Tonka Tonkas, Tonka Tonka, Pika Pika. There's the pretty dogs. Ooh, smelly. Look at all these dogs. You guys thirsty? Everybody said they want to go home with Tori. All right now, they just want to be stuffed in your car. Look, Kona wants to go. He's jumping. These are a lot of dogs. Oh, you guys come in like me. You guys get plenty of dogs, yeah?
Yeah, well, this one's a dog sit. It's at work.
Oh, you gonna let him in here?
No.
Oh, okay. Because Tori brings him in here for a run all the time. You need help? Pack socialization class number 1. No, I'm just, don't say that, they'll kick me out again. I'm just joking with your daughter. I'm like, pack socialization number 1. Dig to Japan. Digging, 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 digging. That's hot. Does your dog do this? It means they're hot. Bye, Tori. Everybody want to come out. Okay, wait, guys. Wait till Auntie comes. There's Charlie, still zooming in on the flies. He's so happy. Charlie boy! You gonna move? You gonna go in an airplane? Charlie's moving. Military, so Heather and Kevin are gonna have a wonderful life and have a baby and have Charlie and little white doggy, Felix. Heather, I hope you're taking Felix on the plane with you, not sticking him in a kennel. Like put him under the seat because he's so small. He's scared. He's gonna be scared. So I hope he's riding up front with you. All the doggies, all be good. All the doggies be good. All the doggies be good. See? He's an angel again. Bailey is an angel. Bailey's totally socialized. Dad, Mom. So you guys can take Bailey to the park if you guys want. Tell me which park you guys go to and like let me know so I make sure Bailey's safe because they'll gotta worry about the other dogs, not your dog. Hi guys. If I let you out, you guys gonna be mental? Okay, let's let these buggers out. Okay, everybody, come on. You guys who want to see the pack let out into the open, so I can't control any of them. Okay, guys. You ready to go inside? And then we're gonna say bye to Periscope. All right, guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Roxy? See? Roxy, come. Come. Good girl. See, she sees Tonka. She wants to play. So they're friends, so you can't really scold her because that's what they're here for, is to play. It's when she goes up to a strange, complete dog, stranger, and barks 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 and barks. Come on. Okay. They're all in here. Ready to go inside, guys? Everybody on low energy. Be nice to everybody. There they go. There they go. Everybody's crazy. I mean, I'm not super crazy, but at least they probably doo-doo. They don't have to worry about them doo-dooing. And that's the spaniels. It's in the big park now. There's Bailey. And there they are playing. It's funny you go into another park. It's like, ah! Sorry. Come on, guys! Chemo. Chemo. So they're all doing good. Get out of the mud! Come on, guys! Hello. Pretty dog. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud, don't be scared. Pack is cool. That's Charlie. Likes to catch flies. Come on, guys! Get away from that mud. Look at them by the mud. Come on! Here they come. Running and running. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I'm gonna say goodbye. Here's our other ocean view. Hawaii Dog Park. Talking to nobody. If you rewind, give us some hearts. Everybody's doing good clientele wise. Okay, aloha. Bye-bye.